Whoa! Mine just spawned in. We'll test these foods out for us. With us. Alright, let's go. Mine spawned in, kid. Kinder Egg. While he does that, I'm gonna open these crisps. Give a smell of that, man, you actual cunt.
Kinder Egg.
Quisp. Meow. Not funny.
Oh, this is new. Oh, what's inside?
Yeah, bro, open it without even. Oh, it's wet. You touch it. Meow.
I want to have. What do you do with this? Or just stick it up your top? What?
Honestly, these are 6 out of 10. I don't know why I like these. Got I have some point from the last video? Point?
Lemon and lime.
No. Watermelon.
Gotta be lemon and lime.
I'm gonna go past, man.
Huh. 8 out of 10.
Oh, this had the instructions in, man.
This is my video now.
Bro, bounce off your cock. You got a spring bounce cock. Ah! Bro, that one behind the bed, so I can't get it, even if I wanted to. How do I morph? Well, I feel it sounds. I feel my mouth.
Tells me thinking you were fucking good at sounds.
I am, just not what I want to be. Get in right now, you white. Okay. Right, so here's a toy. It's shit. Video ends. Bye.